dropshipping because they treat it like a shortcut, not a business. If you want to succeed in 2025, you need to approach it like a pro, with strategy, not guesswork. Step 1. Choose a profitable niche with long-term demand. Instead of chasing trends, focus on categories like health, productivity, or sustainable living, industries where customers spend consistently. Step 2. Build a professional store using Shopify or e-commerce. Keep the design clean. Highlight trust signals. Check out reviews. Step 3. Partner only with reliable suppliers. Platforms like Spocket or CJ Dropshipping offer faster shipping and higher product quality, which directly impacts customer satisfaction and repeat sales. Step 4. Drive traffic with smart marketing. Paid ads on TikTok or